Hello and welcome to the first of two tutorials that I'm going to do playing with turtle and lists. So first up, I'm going to create a list of colors, and this list of colors, I'm just going to pick 4, is going to then be used by programs that either cycle through colors in sequence or select a color at random. So I'm going to design like a looping, like a spirally square pattern, and I'll either do a for loop or a while loop. I'll see when I get to it. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to import turtle. We're going to set speed to something reasonably high. Turtle.speed 100. Oops. Then we're going to have a look at doing this sort of square pattern. Actually, I'm going to use a while loop, and I'll start with like a variable. So while x is less than 100, I can turtle dot forward x turtle dot right something higher than 90 so that it spirals. I've arbitrarily picked 91, and x isn't growing. X equals to x plus 1. So yep, there you have it. That's fairly interesting. So I guess I'd want that to be a bit bigger. And I guess I'd like it to end in a fairly square fashion. So I'm going to go for 200. And then we're going to have a look at doing some colors. Ooh, that's really cool. Now I'm going to go for more than 200. I'm going to try to complete it so that the right angles are about there. So let's try 260. By the way, coming up with a great design is a lot of trial and error, and I'm just doing that live. Oops. Bit more. So what I'm looking to do is to have these different wings sort of off the spiral colored differently. I think we're nearly there. 275, 273, 274. And while that's going, I'm going to create a list of colors which we can then employ in this squarish spiral. And I think that looks pretty nice. So, colors. What colors shall we pick? Green, blue, red, and purple. So let's go green, blue, red, purple. And as we draw like each individual line, we can then cycle through one line green, one line blue, one line red, one line purple. So that could look something like this. So turtle.color. Now this is the American spelling. Australian, it's O-U-R. By the way, I missed the equal sign. So turtle.color. Now we're going to say colors, and we're going to select an item from the list in the following manner. Remember, x starts from 1. So technically speaking, the first item in the list is 0, but cycling is going to work no matter what. So if I say x percentage 4, that means we're going to take the remainder of this list divided by 4. And so the first one is going to be 1 divided by 4, remainder is going to be just 1, 2, 3. When we get to 4, we'll go back to 0. Because 4 divided by 4, the remainder of that is 0. And it'll just cycle through them. So that should work. Yeah, there you have it. This is fun to watch. Now, I almost think 275 would have been maybe perfect. And you can also play with the pen thickness. Turtle.pen size 3. Let's just see what this one looks like. Now, there you have that as an example as well. Now, I do think that spiraling it out even more slowly, having the angle less than 90 would be prettier, and I'd like these to be really, really, really narrow. But there's one more thing feature-wise that I want to show you, and that would be how to take a random selection from the colors. So I'm just going to select random and import the random library, and in here I can assign a variable C for color equals to random dot choice from colors, and then turtle.color can be C. Now this is just going to look chaotic and probably not as nice as my previous one, but actually I don't like the thick pen so much. But there you go. These colors are completely random, and that is just another way to use these lists. So I'm going to call it a day for this one, for this particular tutorial. In the next one, I'm going to have a look at using lists of numbers, which are going to be, say, polygon sizes and polygon coordinates. Okay, see you in the next one. Hi there. I'm Sanjin. I'm the guy that makes these videos and answers your comments. So yeah, feel free to drop me one. This is a playlist that's getting updated a lot, so it'll be a whole course in a couple of weeks, so make sure to subscribe right there. The playlist can be accessed also by a playlist link, which I'll put there. And finally, pretty much all my Python videos are going to be in another playlist there. Okay, have fun. See you later.